So you're interested in moving to North Augusta, South Carolina? I don't blame you. Low cost of living, low crime, high median income. Today we're at North Augusta Parks and Recreation, one of the focal points in this area because sports and family is high priority for this town. We're going to talk about the area. We're going to talk about the highs, lows, good, bads, ugly. We're going to talk about, I'm going to show you a few homes, and then if you're interested in buying, selling, or investing in North Augusta, stick around to the end. I'm going to take you to one of my favorite restaurants. We're going to sit down with my family, talk about this market report. Let's get into it right now. Okay guys, like I said, I'm here at North Augusta Rec Department. I'm filming in the wild, no editing, it's just not gonna be perfect. But behind me I got the Little League baseball field, got the Little League softball field, I got right here somewhere, I got a little public park. That's where my wife and kid are at right now trying to distract me. There's a splash zone that's shooting out water all the time out of the ground in the summer months. And there's the entire area is surrounded by a walking track, a very hilly terrain walking track. There is a 21-mile greenway, which it used to be an old railroad bed and they repaved it, and now it is perfect for bicycling, it's perfect for jogging. If you just want to get out of the house, go see some wildlife, I guarantee you 9 times out of 10 you're going to see some deer, you're going to see squirrels, you're going to see animals. 10 out of 10 I do recommend. So in this area, the main thing that people want to know, they want to know about jobs. They want to know about crime rate. They want to know about schools. They want to know about medical and recreation. In this area, recreation is high on this city's list. Jobs, there's a lot of industry in this area. We have nuclear power plants. We have Amazon. We have Generac. There's a lot of industry around here. We have a high median income because of all that industry. The schools, awesome schools, and with all the crazy stuff that's going around in this country, it's a load off your shoulders to be able to drop your kid off. We have great Mother's Day out for your moms. We have great daycare, but the schools, right? This is the North Augusta Elementary, Belvedere Elementary. This is Paul Knox Middle, North Augusta Middle, North Augusta High School. That's this area right here. That's our public schools. Great schools, safe schools. Now, as far as crime rate, we have a very low crime rate. People always want to know what's the safe areas, what's the not safe areas. As the fair housing laws, I cannot tell you the safe areas and not safe areas, but I highly suggest you Google the area, and I will pro tip. There are hot maps. There are hot maps all over the place that will tell you. Well, not all over the place here because it's such a low crime rate, but there are hot maps, and they will have hot zones that will show you the crime, and you can kind of read up on that. Medical, okay, medical. Right here, the border between South Carolina and Georgia is the Savannah River. So right now we are in North Augusta, South Carolina. Go right across that bridge into Augusta, Georgia, where the Augusta Nationals play, where the Masters tournament is. Go Tiger! There is 3 hospitals over there. We got Piedmont, we got Augusta University, we got Doctors Hospital. If you want to go 20 minutes the other direction to Aiken, they have a hospital over there as well. Guys, these are great hospitals. The medical industry in this area, especially in Augusta, is huge. It is state of the art. The Augusta University is top 10 in the United States, okay? And finally, we get to recreation. And as I said, I kind of explained this a little bit. Little League softball, Little League baseball. Actually, the high school baseball team plays just right over there. We got tennis courts over here. There's basketball over here. For all my basketball fans out there, nationwide type basketball. We got the Peach Jam is actually hosted right here every single year. LeBron James, all your big names are always here with the kids every single year. North Augusta is 20.6 square miles, and it is just over 23,000 people. It's not too big, not too small. It's a great area. We got plenty of room for you to bring your local small business here. We got plenty of room. We got plenty of industry if you just want to move here. plenty of jobs. Okay guys, I've talked about the good, all good. I can't really think of any bad things about this area, but if you had to nail me down for locals, it'd probably be the humidity in this area. But we've had a lot of out-of-town clients that come from drier states that love this humidity. So it's just different strokes for different folks. It's the humidity for them. They say it's great for their skin, great for allergies. It just is how it is. Now, as promised, we've got to take off. I'm going to show you a couple homes. Stick around for the Margaret Port at the end at one of my favorite restaurants. We'll see you then. Okay guys, so when you want to do these things, of course it's going to rain. It's not going to be the best circumstances, but we are in the River Club. It is in one of the upscale neighborhoods in North Augusta. Downtown North Augusta is literally a mile back behind us. SRP Park is a mile back behind us. We will talk about it later on. This is, you'll see, all the neighbors just keep the yard up. We got a stucco house here. Got a beautiful brick home. We got, what else do we got? I love the different, how we do the different type of architecture. How you start with wood, you end up with, maybe it's a stacked stone, or maybe it's stucco, or whatever it may be. But here is the subject property here for sale right now. Even the pink works. I like the brick, I like the pink. But this is the River Club. It is along the river. The river's in front of me. Back behind me, this house is actually on the golf course. Across the street, we got all the river homes. Now, the golf course, this is the private public golf course, the River Club. In this area, it's hard to beat. It is a amazing golf course. Now, this home right here, built 2003, 3,400 square feet, under $700,000, at $680,000. That's right around $200 a square foot. This isn't Atlanta, guys. You're getting a lot of home, and it is beautiful. Here's the neighbors. Beautiful stucco home behind us with stacked stone. And I just noticed, I know I've been videoing this for a little while. I just noticed it looks like I got attacked by a cougar. Guys, this morning I realized my son was overdue by about a month getting his fingernails cut. I got them cut, but he cut me first. Okay, guys. Beautiful neighborhood, the River Club, North Augusta, South Carolina, right downtown. Beautiful. Golf course on one side, river on the other. I will post an aerial photo of all of it. And we're going to house number 2. Okay, guys. Here we are, house number 2. And we are on Woodlawn. And this is a mature neighborhood. Everyone keeps their yard up. Everyone, no HOA fee, so it's actually very surprising. It is a lot, everybody has pride in their yard around here. There's no doubt about it. The subject property, we're walking up on it, it was built in 1966. I did mention it was mature, right? $225,000. 2,100 square feet. So right around $105 a square foot. It needs some updating, and that's where that good price comes in. But you can fix the home, guys. You hear the neighbors are out. We hear the dogs. But here is the subject home. Split level home, brick, nice. Like I said, 2,100 square foot, mature neighborhood. It's been around forever. It's going to be around for a long time. It's tried and true. It is priced for the update, $105 a square foot, and the average in this area is around, for an updated home, is around $140. So there we go. That is kind of what we're looking at. Nice. Everyone's keeping their yard up. Okay, guys, we're off to explore more of North Augusta. Stay tuned. Okay, we made it to downtown North Augusta.
The best part of North Augusta, in my opinion, and my personal favorite part.
We have local businesses all up and down Georgia and West Avenue. Yes. Right now we're at the North Augusta Feed and Seed store. See, come on. There he is. Where we get all the local plants, flowers. We also got a Lowe's, but can't be local. Ooh, got the sun. Okay, gonna make our way on down here. Woo. Bright sun. We got a local pharmacy. Getting honked at. A local pharmacy. We got local auto mechanics. One of Mackenzie's favorite places. Take it away.
So if you look right behind me, that building, there's a little coffee shop and pastry shop called Sheila's. It is delicious. Again, it's local. Their maple cookie lattes are my favorite, and my baby has to makes me come probably 4 times a week to get him a sprinkle donut. So that's his favorite.
Fresh every day.
Yeah.
Sheila wakes up at the butt crack of dawn.
2 a.m. and makes the stuff fresh. And they're open like at 6 a.m. and they usually are open until 2 unless they sell out, which they usually sell out before. So very, very good.
One of the staples in downtown
Yes.
North Augusta we cannot forget about. Keep on backing up, hoping I don't get in a wreck. The Pink Dipper. If you're within a 50-mile radius of this area, you know, you've heard about the Pink Dipper. You've been here as a kid. You brought your kids here. You've had birthday parties here. Go in there, get you a scoop of Superman ice cream. Thank me later.
Yes, so
What else?
good. And then right past Sheila's, there's another little plaza, and they have another coffee shop, Cavaliers, also very, very good. They have the cutest outdoor area.
It's called Jackson Square. I moved that for the lighting.
Sorry, all over the place. In Jackson Square, it's called Cavaliers. Cutest little outdoor area. They actually have live music there sometimes. Not only do they offer coffee, they also have craft beer and wine as well. So whether you want to go there for your mornings or your evenings and chill out, perfect little area. So good.
We got a local Italian place called Antonio's. We got a
Yes.
local breakfast place called the Sunrise Grill. Do you want to go somewhere and you want somebody you want to be a local? Has that ever been a thing of yours? Because you can do that. Support local and they will support you. They will.
Yes.
They will show up. You go in there. We go to Sunrise Grill. They know exactly what we want for breakfast every single morning. They know our order, and that's awesome. This is a place where you come, you live, work, play.
Yes.
All right.
And if you go down West Avenue, we also have a little bit of shopping. So we have Shop 3130. I love my girls there. And we have Sweet Fig Market. You can get fresh flowers, home decor. Shop 3130 is going to be your clothing and jewelry. And then we also have High Cotton. Just local shops, very sweet owners, get to know everybody.
Yeah.
I love it.
Okay, guys, we will see you at SRP Park. Okay, guys, we're in the wild. No editing. We're going to see shadows. It's not going to be perfect, but we have made it to downtown North Augusta. Well, the North Augusta Rec Department was downtown North Augusta as well, but we have made it to SRP Park. Within the last 5 or 6 years, this was built. It is awesome. So we have this the minor league baseball team for North Augusta called the Green Jackets. Now, minor league baseball is short, so this facility is not wasted. They bring in concerts here. The Travel League, USSSA type baseball, they play here. The high schools play here. And we're going to keep on going. Oop, oop, oop. Can't forget this. Right behind us, so let me orientate y'all. Right behind us, downtown North Augusta. Okay? Behind me now, Augusta, Georgia. Okay? So, right here is Brick Pond Park. Brick Pond Park, there's a pond on either side of the road. And that is where we can come pretty much any time of the day. But if you come early in the mornings, late in the evenings, you will see, you will see the alligators. You will see the blue herons. You will see all the wildlife, all the different wildlife that you see. Okay, keep on going. Keep on going. I feel like a celebrity. Everybody's honking the horn at me today. It's just, you just smile and keep on going. Okay, back behind me over here, Crown Plaza. Crown Plaza is the hotel right here in North Augusta. Inside of there is an awesome restaurant called the Salt and Marrow. And then we have Rio Cantina, awesome Mexican joint where I'm about to meet my family. My wife said my kid is acting up. Cheese dip, guys. Pro tip, cheese dip calms the kids down. Okay, along this, okay, Savannah River is this way. So along the Savannah River, we have the hotel, we have SRP Park. Along SRP Park, we have the different shops. We have a boutique, we have several restaurants, Swank for your women. They love it. Love it. Cute little boutique. Behind the hotel, guys, is apartment complexes. If you wanna live here, if you wanna live downtown, I mean, you're not gonna go clubbing. This isn't Atlanta, but you can definitely get in trouble. I mean, you just can. But beyond this hotel is apartment complexes. Awesome apartment complex, brand new. And beyond those is Hammond's Ferry. Hammond's Ferry is a little ecosystem all on its own, right along the river. You got restaurants, you got barbershops. Well, I take the barbershop. What's the women call it? It's a hair salon. They got hair salons down there, and upscale homes. It's just a must-see area. So you come to North Augusta, you visit, you come to a Green Jackets game, you go clubbing, you go bar hopping, and then you go eat. You go eat down there in Hammond's Ferry. Okay, guys, here we are at Rio Cantina in SRP Park, North Augusta, South Carolina. And as promised, this cheese dip is keeping this boy quiet. And
No more mama.
these cold drinks are keeping us cool.
Right.
Like I said, there's one downside of this area. It is humidity. It is hot right now. But
And girls, it's bad for your hair. Okay.
it is nothing a cold drink won't fix. So the setting is we have the Savannah River right in front of us, separating South Carolina and Georgia. So Augusta, Georgia is right across the river. North Augusta downtown is right behind us. We have the North Augusta, the hotel right here.
Crown Plaza.
Crown Plaza, it's drawing a blank.
Yeah.
We have Rio.
Beside us, we have Brinkley's Shop House, a new restaurant here that shows valet parking. So nice.
We have a cute little boutique.
Boutique right next to that.
Right behind it.
Yeah. And then there's a barbecue place southbound, and on top of that, there's an oyster bar. So all kinds of options just in one little spot.
Sweet little hangout.
Yep.
There's an amphitheater right along the river right here.
Yep.
There's a group of apartment buildings
Yep.
to the right. But that's not what y'all here for. Y'all stuck around to the end of this video for this market report that I promised, and I will give it to you. So if you're interested in buying, selling, investing in North Augusta, this is kind of what we're looking at.
Even more reason to do so.
This is what we're looking at in November of 2022. So right now, we had 110 new properties to the market in the last 30 days. We are looking at 98 days on the market, which is up. And a lot of that is pricing, is incorrectly priced to begin with. Because if you scroll down, we have had 75 price reductions. Okay, that is up 87%. Who you work with matters. Choose the right agent. Price your home right the first time. We don't have this problem. Our average sold price is $347,000. So you can get a lot of home with that. That's about $151 a square foot. This isn't Atlanta. Okay, you can get a lot of home for that money right now. Okay, guys. This is a quiet, homegrown area. This is a good place to raise your kids.
Small town feel.
Small town, safety, safe. Got an amazing police department. This is just a place where you want to be, where you
want to raise a family, where you want to take those walks at night, where you want to ride your golf cart downtown, because hello, you can do that. How fun!
It's a hey, hello, how are you doing type of feel to it. So look, shoot us a text, send us an email, give us a call, schedule a Zoom. If you're looking in the next, it don't matter if you're looking in the next 10 days or 110 days. We want to speak with you. Okay?
We want to talk to you.
Thanks for showing up. Thanks for sticking around to this video.
Thanks for supporting us, guys.
Leave a comment down below if you're from the area and I left something out. Put it in there for us. Subscribe. We're making more videos like this for all the areas that we're making an Augusta video, an Evans video, an Aiken, Edgefield. This whole CSRA we're making the videos for. So until next time, we'll see you.
Bye, guys.
Love you guys.